Well, it's raining pretty good out there today, so we're not going to the hills. And I thought, well, I'm out of Huntley spoons. I got people wanting Huntley spoons, so I might as well come down to the shop and build some Huntley spoons. And I thought, what the heck, might as well bring you guys along and show you how I do this. Now, grant you, this isn't as much fun as looking for gold, but what the heck, let's build some Huntley spoons. Well, my crevice tools and my Huntley spoons are made out of 1/4-inch cold rolled steel. And, you know, it comes in 20-foot lengths, and I cut it to length. And once I got a pile of these things made, then I got to put handles on them. And now, this handle machine I built 20 years ago, and it ain't pretty, but it works. Okay, the handle bending process is pretty straightforward. I got marks here that show me, you know, how far to do it, how far to bend it. But in there, it's your first bend. Then the second bend, I take a little bit past, so the handle stays nice and closed. But in the process, it will make it so the handle's not straight. So to fix that, I got a little thing here on the edge that I just bend her nice and straight, and now we got a nice straight handle. Okay, the next step is we got to forge this end out. So I'm going to bend up a few more handles, and then we'll fire up the forge. Okay, well, we got the furnace warming up here. Well, I'm not sure how well this is going to work with the furnace going as far as sound, but what we do is we just start laying our crevice tools in here. All we're heating up is the tip. So we just put a bunch of them in here. And now we wait for them to warm up. Okay, now we just got to wait for them to get nice and red. We don't want them to get too hot. We don't want to burn the metal, but we need a good solid red, and then we can start forming them. Now, after I get them all formed, the correct angle on them, and quenched so they are hardened. Now this is one thing that it's good and it's bad. I harden them because if you get this tool down in the hole and you're trying to pull some dirt out and you get bound up, I don't want it bending too easily, so I harden them. Plus they wear a lot longer. The downside is if somebody wants to change this angle here and they try to bend it, it may break because, you know, at this point it is hard. Now, from this point, I'll go through them all, inspect them all, make sure that, you know, everything's correct on them, and then off to the powder coaters they go. Now, when I get them back from the powder coaters, they're a nice bright red and good for years of use. And now when I make the regular crevice tools, it's the same process except I don't form the spoon. So basically that's how I do it. Now hopefully next weekend we're going to be up in the hills. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you got any questions about any of the tools I use and metal detectors and all that, most of the info's in the description below. And other than that, you have a wonderful day.